Bank of America Merrill Lynch is very focused on innovation in transaction services. The main reason is to remain relevant to our clients in how they use transaction services, and they look at us as their corporate and investment bank. So when we look at innovation, we first and foremost want to partner with our clients, look to understand what are their pain points, and we also want to look at the overall ecosystem. Are there other providers that they may use to also do transaction services like ERP providers, Treasury workstation providers with whom we engage as well. And then last but not least, are there fintechs in the space that they find interesting to make it easier for them to do transaction services, whether it's cash management, payments, trade, supply chain, and so forth. So we look at these potential partners and fintechs as also a source of innovation in how we could work with them to just make our client experience better. If our client experience is better, then we know that we remain relevant to our clients. It's easier for them to transact with us globally or across all of our products. And overall, it enables them to also have a better experience with Bank of America Merrill Lynch, enables them to better use our products, and supports their growth in however they try to maximize their business. At Bank of America Merrill Lynch, we manage our innovation across all of our geographies and products. And we have rolled out an innovation funnel, which gives not just the seniors within transaction services, but all of our teammates the ability to see all of the projects that we have going through the innovation funnel. And the funnel is meant to really think through every step of development. So we don't just look at an idea and just go for it. We would rather make sure we have toll gates to really look at if there's an idea that we maybe collaborate on with a set of clients that we may have seen in the industry, that we think through the development of the solution, that we have steps to prototype how the solution would work within our ecosystem on our CashPro online and mobile functionality, and making sure that when we go back to our clients, we can show them prototypes and they have the ability to give us feedback as to whether the solution that we had originally looked at would really work for them in how they work with us. And through these steps, we're able to really look at an innovation that we're developing, making sure that we get client feedback, that we fail fast if we have the wrong idea, that if we are not developing what clients are expecting, that we can fail fast and go back and maybe learn from what we've not done correctly. But more importantly, think through how we're going to roll this out, work across all of our partners within Bank of America. And if we look at what our clients are looking from us, it's an easier way to work with them, making sure that our solutions are the easiest in the industry. And that does take some innovation between the complexity of our products and how do we then drive that to give our clients a very easy experience with Bank of America, almost what they use in their everyday life as consumers, as easy as whatever they do on their mobile device. Last year, we were the first bank to roll out an assistant in the transaction services space. So if you think about in our daily lives, Apple launched Siri, you've got Google Assistant, you've got Amazon Alexa. And so we asked ourselves, like, what could we do to launch an early stage assistant that would give the same type of needs for our clients, which is something easy to use. So if you have a question, if you need to use something easy, how can you do that in transaction services? So we launched the CashPro Assistant on our online portal, and it really is all about tackling all of the main self-service items our clients have. So we looked at the data from CashPro online banking is why do clients go onto CashPro, not to transact, but to self-serve? What information do they look at every day? And so how do we turn that into an assistant that can help them get that information quickly when they log into CashPro online? So if you come in every day into CashPro and you pull the same report, how do you pull it? And one of the interesting things we found is that a lot of our clients go onto CashPro and they download information into Excel. So using Microsoft APIs, clients can take information from CashPro into Excel based on however they like to customize Excel. So it's really about giving them an easier experience in how they pull data from Bank of America Merrill Lynch. Because innovation is not just about enabling them to do transactions easier, it's also about giving them that information more easily when they go into CashPro. Now, CashPro Online tends to target commercial banking and business banking clients. Now, when we look at our larger multinational corporates or large corporates in our home market, the United States, a lot of them have moved from using CashPro for transactions to using enterprise platforms and even Treasury workstations, or a combination of CashPro Online, enterprise platform, and Treasury workstation. And what we've been doing is we've been engaging them and getting to know these providers better, so we can see what are you developing, what are you taking to market that is going to be important to our clients, so we can be aware of it, train our sales colleagues about it, make sure our service teammates know it and they can respond to a client inquiry if they use that new functionality. But at the same time, we were one of the first transaction banks to roll out APIs, and again with a perspective that we would want these enterprise platform providers and Treasury workstation providers to connect to Bank of America via APIs, making the connections more seamless for our clients, enabling them to transact with us in real time versus on a batch file process, and just giving them a better experience using their enterprise platforms connecting into a Bank of America Merrill Lynch. Another key focus in terms of innovation at Bank of America Merrill Lynch is adding to the types of payments that we already offer to our clients today. So for example, here in the United States, corporate clients can initiate payments via Zelle. Zelle is essentially the ability for a consumer in the United States to link their bank account to their cell phone number, their email address. And so the next time one of our clients says, hey, I'd like to pay you electronically, instead of giving all their banking information, they would say, well, I'm on Zelle and this is my email address or mobile number. So we're looking to expand to the number of payment methods that we give to our clients. Again, with a view that we want to give them the ability to choose. There's not one payment method that's better for us versus the other. It's about remaining relevant to our clients. We're very proud of looking at our client delight, our client experience. So we measure every one of our transactions from a client delight standpoint. Our clients have multiple ways to let us know whether they're pleased with their experience. So it's all about making it easier for them to transact with us, but also work with us. So when you think about our clients, their first experience with us is not to make a payment. It's all about how quickly did I open an account with Bank of America Merrill Lynch? Was it digital and seamless? Am I able to use electronic signatures? And those are all the things that we're working on to make sure that their first experience with us is going to give them that same level of client delight that we see every day from our clients that transact with us across 34 countries.